Hi, every content creator has two wishes. First, they get a lot of shares. Second, they do get a backlink. But this is not possible without good readability. Good readability is very important factor of on-page SEO. You have to make sure that your content is readable and written in very simple English, and it is very easy to consume. In this way, you can earn shares and backlinks. If we talk about stats, 54% of Americans cannot read properly, which means we are targeting 46%. Stats vary from topic to topic, but this is an average. In order to make sure that our content is readable, we can use two plugins. First is Grammarly, second is Hemingway. Both of these can help us to simplify our content, make our content readable without disturbing our SEO. In order to make sure that your content is readable, you can apply these three strategies. First is using short sentences and paragraphs. Try to simplify and paragraph your content. In this way, people can understand what they are reading about. Long paragraphs can make them bore without reading. Then use bullet points. You can highlight important things in a bullet point. Then you can use images to highlight a specific problems. A famous saying is there that says a picture is worth 1,000 words. So using pictures is a good strategy to rank higher in Google. Follow for more videos.